We are about to embark on a very historic commemoration with the Ireland 2016 programme hosting tons of exciting events next year. In particular, the Youth and Imagination Strand, which will set alight the hearts and imagination of the younger generation in Ireland, allowing them to discover what life was like 100 years ago.
We've got a range of really exciting projects for 2016. First up, we've got an all-Ireland drama competition, which we're doing in conjunction with the Department of Education and the Abbey Theatre. For primary school children, we're making a documentary which will explore what life was like in 1916 for youngsters of that age. And we're working with teenagers in response to Proclamation Day, which happens on the 15th of March. And these will be brought together into a documentary which will go out on television, but also there will be a whole series of short audio pieces which will go out on radio as well.
We're supporting and assisting with a lot of different projects, from the military archives, letters of 1916, the Decade of Centenaries competition for schools has a real 1916 focus this year for history projects. Politics and society is coming on stream as a new subject in the autumn. We're setting up a new portal for education for sustainable development. Lots of different initiatives like that we're very excited about.
The lesson plans, which will be developed as part of the Rising in Transition project, will be available on militaryarchives.ie, and they're a key tool for teachers to provide access to students using primary sources from 1916.
Schools across the country will study the Proclamation and write their own proclamation containing their own hopes and ideals. It'll be presented on Proclamation Day, along with Ancestry Project and arts initiatives.
Our national flag is a symbol for peace and reconciliation on this island. The other great story is the 1916 Proclamation. While it comes from a century ago, it's a document which carries many of the hopes and dreams of modern Ireland too. You, the students of Kernanuel National School, and every other school in Ireland, are being asked to write your proclamation. And you can put that new proclamation up on the wall of your school next March beside the 1916 Proclamation, so that in future years, your story and your vision will become part of the history of Ireland.
Discussion results from a cross-section of young people on the topic, Imagining Our Future, will be presented at an event early next year.
What we've called today is Imagining Our Future. So we'll all get a chance to put down our ideas, and we're going to be looking at the things that we like, the things that we want to change, and the things we want to get rid of about Ireland.
I think it's good that we remember it because it was a really defining moment in our history. I think it's good to focus more on the future than on the past, because what matters is what we do next.
From competitions to courses, educational programmes to exhibitions, there's something for everyone to get involved in.
All of the national cultural institutions are creating diverse and very engaging programmes for young people and children, not just around the events of 1916, but also to explore with them what they want from their island in the future. There'll be opportunities for young people of all ages to creatively explore and share their ideas about Ireland, whether their interest is in visual arts, theatre, music, poetry, history or drama. Throughout the year, there'll be a number of special awards and competitions for young artists to showcase their work, whether that's around 1916 or the future of Ireland, and the best of that work will be shown in the National Cultural Institutions and in partnership with RTE.
This was just a sample of hundreds of youth and imagination initiatives taking place all across Ireland. To find out what's happening near you, check out ireland.ie.